1. Today we are going to learn the 5th lesson. Okay. So before that, let us recall what we did in our previous class. Okay. Now, can you see the board? Okay. See this. This is capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. என்ன இது? Capital B, small b. Okay? திருப்ப சொல்லுங்க. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small k. C, k. Okay? D, d. Capital D, small d. Okay? So this was your first unit. A, B, C, D. This was your first lesson. Yes? Okay. Now second lesson we learned this one. Capital E, small a. Capital E, small a. Okay? Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. Okay? And next we learned lesson 3. Capital I, small e. I, E. Tell. Capital I, small e. Very good. Capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. J, j. Okay. Capital letter K, small k. Capital K, small k. Very good. Capital L, small l. L, l. Okay. Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. Okay. Next in unit 4, அதாவது lesson 4, we learned this one. Capital N, small n. N, n. Capital O, small o. O, o. Capital P, small p. P, p. Capital Q, small q. Q, q. Q, q. Okay? Today we are going to learn the 5th lesson. That's your 5th unit. Letter R, S, T, U and V. Okay? So now tell along with me. Capital letter R. That's your big letter R. Capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital letter S, small letter s. Capital letter T, small letter t. Capital letter T, small letter t. Capital letter U, small letter a. Capital letter U, small letter a. Capital letter V, small letter v. Okay. So now we are going to trace the letters. Okay. Okay. Now our first activity is trace and write the capital and small letters. Okay. You have a book with you. Take your book and see, this is red line and this is your middle line. Two blue lines you can see. Okay, right. standing line, back open curve, slanting line, R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. Next, capital S, front open curve, back open curve, small s, capital S, small s, capital T, capital T, small t. Capital U, standing line, swing, small u. Capital V, small v. Okay, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v. So you must take your notebook and say and write and fill the whole page. As you're writing, remember to say and write. Okay, until now if you not completed from A to V, please take your book and start writing from A to V. Okay children, then we move on to our next activity. Match the capital letters to the small letters. Okay, now see, we have a capital letters here and here are the small letters. So we need to match the capital letters to the small letter. Now children, our next activity is listen and repeat. R, run. R, race. R, rat. Yes, sir, sun. Yes, sir, sand. Yes, sir, sea. T, tiger. T, tail. T, teeth. U, uncle. U, umbrella. U, upstairs. V, violin. V, van. V, valley. Okay, now let us sing together. R, run. R, race. R, rat. S, sun. S, sand. S, sea. T, tiger. T, tail. T, teeth. U, uncle. U, umbrella. U, upstairs. V, violin. V, van. V, valley. Very good. Okay, now children, see, our next activity is listen and circle the beginning sound for each picture. Okay, so can you see the pictures here? Yes, what picture is this? Do you remember? Yes, it's a tail. So you must circle the sound T. So it's the letter T. T, tail. Very good. Circle the first sound. Okay. T, tail. Appo turn T. Okay. And what picture is this? Race. Race. So what's the beginning sound? Starting sound in a race. Race. R. So in the letter. So it's the letter R. Yes, go ahead and circle the letter R, race. Okay. Next picture. Umbrella. Umbrella. So what is the beginning sound? A. So which letter is it? Umbrella. It's a. That's the letter U. Umbrella. Okay, children, got it? Next picture, van. Van. So which letter is it? Yes, it's V. Van. Okay. Next, sun. Sun. So it's the letter S. Sun. Okay. Next picture. What picture is this? Rat. Very good. So what's the sound? Can you identify the beginning sound? Rat. Rat. Very good. So where is the sound? Which letter is it? R. Okay. Rat. Very good. So our next picture is, what picture is this? Yes, it's violin. So what is the beginning sound? V. So which letter is it? So here we have R-S-T-U-V. So violin. Violin. So it's violin. Okay. Now finally this picture. What picture is this? A man. Yes, man. Yes, and it is uncle. Yes, this man is a uncle. Yes. So what is the sound? Uncle. So can you identify? Yes, yeah. You are uncle. Got it, children? Very good. Okay, children, now we move on to our next activity. You need to write the missing letters. Okay, so I am going to read out the words. Okay, the first one is run. So what is the sound? R. So which letter do you write here? R. Run. Okay. Next word, valley. So identify which letter is it? Valley. Na appo V valley. Okay. So adutha tiger. So first sound வந்து identify பண்ணுங்க. Tiger. Okay. Very good. Next, sand. So fill the letter S. So it's yes. Okay. Sand. Got it, children? Next, uncle. So இங்க என்ன வரும்? Uncle. You are uncle. Okay. Next, rat. Rat. So is the letter R. Rat. Okay. Next, violin. Violin. So fill the letter V. Race. Race. Okay. Next, upstairs. So it's upstairs. You are upstairs. Van. Van. Okay. Next, teeth. Teeth. So can you write? Yes, it's teeth. Okay. Next, sea. Next is sea. Sea means kadal. sea. S-E-A-C. Okay children, see we have our next activity. Match the picture to the words. So here are some of pictures. Can you see? There are some pictures here. Yes. And identify the picture and you need to match with these words. Okay. So what is the first picture? It's a tail. Yes. So go and match to the word tail. Tail. Okay. Tail. Next picture. This man is a uncle. Yes. A uncle. So find out the word uncle. Yeah, it's you are uncle. Okay, you are uncle. Okay. Next, run. Run. So can you find the word run? It's here. Run. Very good. Go and match the word run. Okay. Next picture. So can you identify? It's sea. Sea means water. Yes? Sea. Sea. Very good. Next picture is van. 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 So go and match to the word van. Okay. Next, teeth. All of you show your teeth. Yes. Teeth. So where is the word teeth? It's here. Okay. Teeth. So go and match to the word teeth. Okay children. Now finally our next activity is circle the words of the things you see in this picture. So here are some pictures. Can you see? There are some pictures and below are some words. Okay. Can you see the words? Yes, you have to identify the picture and circle the words below. Okay. Now let's see what's the first picture. Yes, it's a van. So can you identify the word van? Yes, van. It's here. So as I read, circle it. Got it children? See, here is the picture van. So you need to circle the word van. Okay? Now I have circled the first one. Now let's see what's in the next picture. What is it? Sun. Sun. So go and identify the word sun. Where is the word sun? Sun. Go and circle the word sun. Very good. Next picture. Umbrella. 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 Can you identify the word umbrella? Can you identify? Yes, it's here. You are umbrella. So circle the word umbrella. Okay. So next picture. What picture is it? Rat. So where is the word rat? Find out. Yes, it's here. Rat. So take your pencil and circle the word rat. Okay. And finally our next picture is tiger. Does it look like a tiger? Yes. So where is the word tiger? Tiger. Yes, it's here. Tiger. Very good. Okay. Next children, once we shall read these words. Okay. RUN, run. SEAC, SEAC. UNCLE, uncle. UNCLE, uncle. TEETH, teeth. TEETH, teeth. TAIL, tail. TAIL, tail. VAN, van. Okay. So children, practice this daily at home. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye students.